Hi everyone, my name's Kiara and I work for Quick Jewelry Repairs. Today we're going to talk about a ring's anatomy and give you the breakdown of some of the terminology that we use. After this video you'll have a greater understanding of what a jeweler is talking about when you send your ring in to get fixed. Let's get started. The center stone. The central dominant stone in a jewelry set with multiple stones. In a ring set with one stone, the center stone is also called the solitaire. The head. The metal basket that holds the center stone or solitaire in place. Accent diamonds. Diamonds that surround or enhance the main diamond, typically smaller in size than the main diamond. The halo. This is the outer ring of diamonds or stones surrounding a center diamond or stone. Setting. The setting can also be referred to as the mounting. The mounting or setting holds the center diamond in place and secures it to the ring. The crown, the top half of the diamond. The pavilion, the lower half of the diamond. Prongs, these are tiny metal projections to secure a gemstone to a piece of jewelry. They allow light to strike a gemstone from more angles and increasing that brilliant shine that we all love. Shank, this is the actual band of the ring. The shank is the portion that actually holds the ring onto your finger. This can have diamonds or just be solid metal. Base of the shank, this is where the jeweler will adjust and resize the ring. Gallery, the area between the center stone and above the shank of the ring. This is a great place to add some beautiful finishing touches to your ring. Gallery rail. A gallery rail located on the top of the ring around the diamonds provides some lateral strength to the prongs. Sometimes diamonds are set into the gallery rail to give the ring's profile some sparkle. Embellishments and hallmarks. These are intricate extra features on the ring that can turn it from a classic ring into an heirloom, like gravings, milligrain, and intricate galleries. Bridge. This one is tricky because not every ring has a bridge, or the bridge is not as clear cut as it is in the example. This can cause sizing problems because the bridge makes the ring falsely appear bigger than it is. Shoulder. The shoulder is usually the top two sides of the ring. It's the part that diamonds or gemstones get set in. You'll often find channels or pave set stones here. The shoulders of a ring generally rise up from the finger and creates the style or design of the mounting. It helps show off the center stone well and tends to protect it. Comfort fit. Comfort fit bands are rings that are heavier and rounded at the shank, so they fit more comfortably on the finger. They are durable and thick, and you won't ever have to worry about bending or breaking them. People that are more physical with their hands or do a lot of activity will adore comfort fit bands. Fancy changing your ring up now that you know the terminology? Head to our website below to get started.